Kung noong 2018, kaya makabili ng 20 pesos mo ng halos 3 pirasong itlog. Ngayon, 2 na lang. Bakit? Dahil bumababa ang value ng pera mo over time.
Kung mapapansin mo, habang tumatagal ay mas tumataas ang presyo ng mga bilihin. Grocery, pamasahe, bills. Pero bakit nga lahat na lang tumataas?
Ito ay epekto ng tinatawag na inflation. Ano nga ba ang inflation?
Ang inflation ay ang patuloy na pagtaas ng mga bilihin at serbisyo. Or, as time goes by, you have to pay more for the same product or service. In a recent report, the country's inflation rose to 4.1% in March 2026 from 2.4% the previous month.
Ayon pa sa Philippine Statistics Authority, your 1,000 pesos can only buy goods and services worth 750 pesos compared to its value noong 2018. Bakit nga ba may inflation? These are the common reasons.
First, mas mataas ang demand para sa isang produkto o serbisyo versus the available na supply. Second, tumataas ang cost of production. Kapag mahal ang presyo ng raw materials, fuel at kuryente, pinapatong ito sa presyo ng produkto.
Pero ano nga ba ang epekto nito sa iyo? Kung ang monthly income mo ay 20,000 pesos at may 4.1% na inflation, nasa 19,180 na lang ang value nito in terms of purchasing power. But wait, hindi ibig sabihin na bawasan ang income mo. However, mas kaunti na lang ang kaya nitong bilhin.
That's why in finance, the goal is simple. Your money should grow faster than inflation. It's important to have options and not put all of your eggs in one basket. Investments like mutual funds, UITF, time deposits, and real properties can help your money grow over time and beat the effect of inflation.
Because whether we like it or not, inflation is always happening. The real question is your money keeping up? Visit the nearest PNB branch or visit our website to learn more and get your investment journey started today. Because here at Philippine National Bank, we are with you every step together.